Good morning guys, today I'm going to give you a review on Butterfly's new multi cooker that I just bought from Amazon. So this is the box packaging and this is the specifications of the thing. It's a electric multi cooker, size is 1.2 liters, black with silver color, and the price is, in this the price they are showing is 1599 or 66, but in Amazon always you can get for lighting deals and all for below 1000 rupees. Okay, and it includes one base unit, one glass lid, one egg boiler tray, one user manual with value card. That anyway we are not going to read. And okay, actually I unboxed the product before itself. This is the product. This is the glass lid. This is the body of it, butterfly, and there is the temperature control, and this is the base of it. And we'll see what is resting, what all the things are resting on the box back. This is the egg boiler, and this is the base. Okay. Even if you want to boil the egg, you should keep the base inside, because obviously it's plastic, it will melt away otherwise. Put it back and put your eggs here, fill it with water and boil it. I think maybe it will boil for 100 Celsius or something. Okay. So this is the external features of it. Show you one more time. This is the rating, power rating. This is some reverse. Same rating is written here also. Okay guys, it's already boiled. It's all not to be just 1 minute to boil water. And here you can adjust the temperature like according to your cooking, like noodles, egg boiling, water, whichever you want. And the glass that is good, you can see how it's boiling, everything you can observe from outside. It's a really good food spicy, it's too good. I will share the link to buy this product in my description. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, it helps a lot. Thank you.